Review Hub. Brand name, VEVOR. Capacity, 22L divided by 35L divided by 45L divided by 55L. Voltage, 12/24V, DC, 110-240V, AC. Cooling range, -20 degrees Celsius 10 degrees Celsius /-4 degrees Fahrenheit 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Power, 45/60 W. Net weight, 9 to 16.7 kg /19.8-36.8 lbs. Certification, CE. Use, camping picnic. Features 1, app or manual control. Features 2, 3-level protection. Features 3, fast cooling and energy saving. Origin, Mainland China. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.